Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Michelle coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Monday, December 4th, 2017. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 55 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 62 and a low of 29 with clouds and wind. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Joshua, Nadia.
I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports yesterday, the Bears lost to the San Francisco 49ers by a score of 15-14. The Blackhawks lost to the Los Angeles Kings by a score of 3-1. And the Bulls will play the Cleveland Cavaliers tonight at 8 o'clock. Clubs meeting today are Partners Club in the library at 3 o'clock, Hoover Harmonics in the music room at 3 o'clock, and 5th and 6th grade Battle of the Books in room 208 at 3 o'clock. And today and tomorrow morning, 1st and 2nd grade Battle of the Books in the library at 7:45. And Puzzle Club in room 101 at 8 o'clock. Now a message from Mr. Smelger.
Michelle, good morning, Hoover staff and students. Hopefully everybody's having a great start to their week. It is National Dice Day, National Sock Day, and a National Cookie Day. Caleb, I have a question for you. Do you know what the best-selling cookie in the United States is?
Chocolate chip.
Not chocolate chip. Want another guess?
Sugar.
Not sugar.
peanut butter.
Oreo is the top seller with over $2 billion worth of sales last year. So today, go home, play some dice while you're wearing socks and eating some Oreos, and you'll have all three covered. Let's see. We are map testing today. Don't forget, we'll be map testing throughout the building, so make sure that you're nice and quiet in the hallways, coming in and out of recess, transitioning from classes. Tomorrow night we have Burgers and Books at Barnes & Noble and Fuddruckers, so hopefully you can participate in that. Remember that when you purchase a book there, and I believe online as well, if you use the code, Hoover PTA will get a portion of those sales, so that's pretty nice. And then you can always go treat yourself to a burger over at Fuddruckers, and we'll get a portion of those sales as well. That's all I have for today. Have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelger.
You're welcome, Michelle.
Monday's motivation is
Yes.
every morning you have two choices.
You.
Continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-ups are brought to you by the second graders in room 214. Have a monkey macaroni Monday.